After an ice storm swept through, the man stepped outside to quickly grab something from his car when something unexpected happened. As soon as his foot touched the front yard, he lost control, sliding helplessly across the frozen ground.
Yep, I'm good. Ah, geez.
His neighbor called out, concerned. He replied with a strained smile, trying to stay calm. However, despite his reassurance, the slippery ride was far from over. Let me know what you think about this humorous situation.
I owed him up.